Welcome back to Street Style. First or maybe second, I can't remember. New episode of 2024. I'm back in Dublin City. Let me show you around. Home to approximately 1.4 million, this is my hometown, Dublin City. Welcome to the capital of Ireland, and let me show you what we have in store today. This is Dublin, divided by the River Liffey, north side, south side. Let's go. Kennedy's Pub, Westland Row. Great pub in Dublin City, right on the corner. If you go inside, you'll find a lovely black and white shot of the customs house I did. A nice canvas print, and I gave to Tom, the owner of the bar, and he has it up in the press there. Well, the glass cabinet. One of my favourite pubs in Dublin has a beautiful shot of JFK and Bobby Kennedy in a hotel room. I'm not sure who took the original picture. It's a great shot. Two of them in deep conversation, so I hope you enjoyed this one. This one is what you might know as a warm-up shot. Basically, I was looking at some old Georgian buildings, a few hundred years old, and the guy's going past on the bicycle, fully covered face mask. You just see the eyes, and tried to capture the shot. You can see he's looking directly at me. It's hit and miss. I'd say more miss than hit. But you got to do these shots. You got to warm up beforehand. That's how it works. Now, for most people who don't know, Dublin is a city of over 1,022 years old. There's many Georgian buildings and Georgian streets. And sometimes you just walk around, you can easily get lost in the last century. I just took this shot. It's a beautiful picture. I like it. Lots of detail. But I decided instead of doing black and white, just to add a bit of sky colour, a bit of colour in the sky. Changed up a little bit, just something different. So I hope you guys like this one. So walking behind these two guys, I was like, what the hell is going on here? They're Dutch. They're collecting for a rugby team, a charity event that takes young lads out of the ghettos in Holland and teach them rugby and get them into sports. Great guys. So this big tall Dutch guy is walking along with the little flag hanging out of his jacket with the St. Patrick's Day, Paddy's Day hat on. And the other guy is wearing gold pants as a bet that he lost. And I said, Austin Powers and younger generation, he had no idea who he was talking about.